Do you only bring your flash along at night when you're shooting at an event or party? Well, you're missing out on the great effects a flash can have on your daytime photos. I'm going to tell you about the secrets of using PhilFlash to improve your outdoor portraits. We're going to be using the Altura Photo AP305 flash to demonstrate these techniques, but you can use any dedicated shoe mount flash. When shooting outdoors, you can't really control the direction of the light. You can reposition your subject to make the most of the lighting situation, but what if it ruins the ideal background? This is where PhilFlash comes in handy. It helps to make sure your subject looks great in the photo without having to struggle with the direction of the light. It will properly light your subject's face and fill in any unflattering shadows. This is why keeping a flash in your camera bag is a must. Just mount the flash on your camera, set the flash to TTL mode, take a picture and see how it looks. If you find the flash is overpowering, you can use the flash exposure compensation to reduce the intensity of the light for a more natural look. Using PhilFlash doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to shoot in manual mode. Just select Program Auto on your mode dial and let the camera do the work. This simple technique really makes a big difference. It will eliminate harsh shadows on your subject and will make your portraits look more professional. Do you have any other tips for outdoor flash photography? We would love to hear them. Leave your tips in the comment section below. If you like the Altura Photo Flash we used in this video, you can check it out at digitalgoja.com. Keep on shooting, catch you in the next video.